guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing another Christmas Dollar Tree DIY. These are gonna be super simple and easy, like no frills type of Christmas decor. If you enjoy that type of stuff, make sure you give me a thumbs up right now, and let's try to get this video to at least 1,000 thumbs up. That would really help me out. If this is your first time here, welcome. I would love it if you became part of this DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, let's get on to the DIY. You're gonna need 2 Dollar Tree shot glasses. These come in a pack of 6. 2 of these little Christmas trees, which also come in a pack, I believe. These are from last year, so I don't really remember how they come packaged. And then also some Dollar Tree twine. I'm using my wood burning tool. If you guys don't have one of these in your craft arsenal, what are you waiting for? This is one of my favorite tools to use. I'm gonna go ahead and link one down below. That's gonna be very inexpensive, that you guys can just buy off Amazon, or you can just go to Michael's or whatever craft store.
Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you.
For this one, all you need is one of these little Dollar Tree houses and also some string lights.
Following the stars that lead me straight to you, and though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you.
I'm just gonna take some empty jewelry boxes, also some of that music sheet paper that I used in my last DIY, some twine, and then I do still have these little red berries. I'm gonna take some of the red berries off and then the leaf off of it.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
For this one, all you're gonna need is one of these Dollar Tree boxes, some rub-on transfers, and some paint. I'm gonna be using red and then also this chalkboard paint.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be
it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave me that thumbs up. So the next video that I'm going to share with you guys, I'm going to show you how I made that rustic 3-tiered tray. Perfect for your small Christmas decorations. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Leave me your comments down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. Let's go ahead and put a Dutch Bros plug in here real quick. Make sure you leave me your comments down below. Let me know what your favorite DIY was. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Okay, bye, guys.